Now, how would you like making $100 a day and even $150 a day just by using your phone? Because everyone have a phone, and if you answer these 3 questions, you are very eligible to earn money online. Now, one of the questions that I might ask you in order for you to be qualified is, do you have a mobile phone? If that's yes, then my second question is, do you have 30 minutes to 40 minutes time per day to spend on this new software or this new app basically? If that's yes, then my last question is, how many times would you be willing to spend on this app? If your answer is more than 40 minutes, then you are 100% qualified. And let's go back into the video. Now, before we even speak forward in the video, I want you guys to smash that like button, also subscribe to this notification bell so that you get notified whenever I release a new video, and also turn that bell icon to get notified. And if you guys are looking to make full-time income online, I have my link in my description. Click that link and I'm gonna show you how you can make passive income online. And without further ado, let's roll the video. And the website we're gonna be talking about, basically, it's called Future Points. Now, I have speak about this before, but this app is really interesting, and there's also a mobile version for this, and also there's a desktop. But I personally would like you guys to use the mobile app because it has more features, and you can get more money out from the mobile actually. And also, as you can see, the Future Points, they have paid over $5.8 million, and they have been around since 2012. And the thing is, you're not gonna get real cash, but you are going to be getting points, and you can convert these points into real money. Like, for example, if you are getting gift cards like Amazon gift cards or Steam gift cards or PlayStation gift cards, you can literally sell these gift cards outside of the app, or you can literally convert this into PayPal Cash, and then you can literally download this PayPal Cash. Now, there's 2 ways that you can be literally starting to sign up, by just clicking in here or clicking into the sign up button, and then you can literally be able to sign up with Facebook or Google, or literally by using your email. Now, here's another thing, that there's option where you're able to win money. For example, there's a scratch points. Whenever you scratch, you can literally get 50,000 points, and this 50,000 points, you can get a lot of money with this. It's a big money, and that you can literally get $20 from just scratching that. All right, there's also surveys. You can literally get surveys, and by surveys I mean simple surveys that will take you 1 minute, 2 minutes of your time, and you can literally, whenever you finish that survey, you can get a point, and then these points can be taken to actually real money, and then you can get real cash back. For example, instead of you actually getting money, you can get cash back from Walmart, from GameStop, from Gap, from Mercy, Sephora, Microsoft, and many more. And you can actually make money by downloading apps like apps you already like, and you can actually make money from that as well. And also, you can literally get 50% coupon, 50% referral. Whenever you refer someone, you're gonna get 50% of whatever they earn. Like, if they earn $5, you're gonna get 2.5. So this is also interesting. You can get more money by referring people. All right, and also you can redeem your points with really awesome rewards, just like Amazon and PayPal and Microsoft. All right, this is really interesting app, and I'm gonna show you everything right now. Now, once you sign up, you are gonna be ended up in this page. Now, this is the page you are gonna be ended up. I just created a new account for this, and once you start, you are able to actually enter a contest and start winning. And also, you can get the app, and basically on your mobile, you can get 50% of your friends whenever they earn something. You can also earn. Now, these are here the surveys that you can actually click and then earn. For example, Peanut Lab has 4,000 points. You can earn 4,000 points from Peanut Labs. Usually everyone is doing this one. Now we're gonna go and click Peanut Labs right now, and now it took us to the Peanut Lab. Once the Peanut Lab comes up, actually there's no surveys in Peanut Labs right now, so it's a bummer for this. And then there's another thing, this one, 30,000 points. We're gonna click that to see if this is available, and it should be, probably is. And so that we can also do this. So for example, now this it took us, and actually this one, it matches you with fun surveys. So it's very easy. All you have to do is click get started, and then you will see some surveys. For example, you have to add your age, and then you're gonna complete it. It's in both. For example, I live in the United Arab Emirates, so it will show me in Arabic and English, because here 50-50 people, they speak English, and also they speak Arabic as well. Now here's what we're gonna be doing. We have to do our survey from here, and then this survey it will match us with something that we are like, and it's not gonna be very boring stuff. That's what they're saying. And this is for the this survey, and there's also another surveys like these, so that you can also make money. And for example, if we come to the win this button, here's what you're able to win money. Now for example, now there is 2, which is Thursday, and October 10, which is October, I mean, you're able to earn $100 as well. So 65,000 people have entered for this, and 4,000 people have entered for this to get $5. All right, now it's just a random thing. You are able to earn money from this as well, but to enter this, you have to actually have a token, and for token, every 20 points you earn 1 token. So this is interesting. All right, and mind you guys, at the app, it's much better than the desktop version, because actually the app it has more features. You can actually download mobile phones, and you can do many stuff more. And here also the ways that you can earn gift cards. You can earn cash, $5 cash, $100 cash, and you can also earn more by just saying I want more. So for 3,000 points, it's a $5. So if you're earning 50,000 points, you are actually going to be earning, let's just go, so $100, it's a 60,000 points. So you can win this also from the win area. You can win more than 30,000 points, and you can literally take the $100 and just get it. All right, and there's also actually bank card, these vouchers, USD vouchers that you can also earn. So basically similar thing. So this is very interesting, and their design of the website is very unique, and it's very interesting. So I recommend you guys to use this to earn money, and then the best thing is by using a referral, because with the referral you can earn more by for example, it's much better like your friends helping you to make more money. And if you actually send out maybe 50 people, and these 50 people are interested, you are easily going to be able to make $20 a day. This is very easy. But if you are just doing it solo by yourself, it's gonna take you a very long time to make the $100. So I hope you guys like this video. Make sure if you guys do to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comment section below what do you guys think about this video. Also if you guys are looking to make full-time income online, and you think these surveys are very hard for you, I have my recommendation in the link in the description, because that's where I started making money online, and this is how I do it every single time, and by just being my own boss and having my own time, free time, and I can do whatever I want. And I recommend you guys to go to that link. You'll learn so many things, value, and also you'll learn how you can be your own boss and how to start your own business. So this is no brainer, and I really recommend you guys to go there and just sign up for this and take action, because if you don't take action, no one will, and you will end up, instead of making money, losing money. So just take it for the grant of soul and take that action, and just click that link in my description, and you'll see, like, no one is forcing you. You can see more information about what I'm offering, and if you take action, you might make some money. So it's not a get rich quick scheme. It's just you have to put time into it. There's no any money gonna grow in trees. It just, you have to take action, you have to do the work. But instead of you working on this survey website 40 to 20 hours a week and earning $100 maybe in these 20 hours, you just gonna have to do the one that I'm recommending you guys. You just have to spend 2 hours to 3 hours a day by just setting up some ads on Facebook, and you are literally going to be making money. So so that's how you can do this, and this is going to be very simple. Now, without going further with this, just if you guys like this then just go there. And I hope you guys to see you guys soon, and peace.